How to change language in Microsoft Office. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. After you have opened your Microsoft 365, you're going to see here all the elements or the software that are contained in this area. So all you need to do right there is to choose the platform or the software that you are going to use. For example, if you are going to use Word, you need only to click on Word, then you're going to open it. Open a file, then you're going to see the Word like this. This is the Word platform. Now, once you are here, you're going simply to head over the options, which is the last item on the left here on the footer. You're going to click on it, and then we're going to see here a window containing some parameters. Now we are going to see all kind of parameters. We have the display, the proofing, the saving, the language, accessibility, and etc. So we are going to focus only on language. The first thing that we'll see here, we are going to see Office display language and Office authoring languages and proofing. For changing the language of the software, which is in our case here, we have chosen Microsoft Word, we're going simply to select here the language that is mentioned right there. And if we don't see our favorite language, we're going to click on Add Language. Then we're going to see the list of languages that we can add. Go ahead and choose your language right there. Then, for example, we're going to here set Chinese. Then you're going to click on Install. Once you're going to click OK, it will here install the language. For here, we have some disk space, as you can see, problem. So I highly recommend for you, after you have installed your Office or Microsoft Office on your desk or on your laptop, you need to free more spaces to make some updates, languages like this in this case, and also some add-ons features. Now, after we have added the language, we're going only to set it as preferred. For example, here English is our preferred. You're going to see it between brackets. If you want to set French, all you need to do is to move it up. For example, here, when you move it up, you are going to see it is labeled now preferred. So I will move it down and set English as default preferred. So here for the authoring languages and proofing, you're going to use here the keyboard suggestions and read proofing right there. So you are going to add the language like we did in the Office display language. Go ahead and add it. For example, we're going to add French maybe. We're going to see here if we see French. French France, you're going to click on add and boom, here we have added the proofing. So when you finish all of this, you're going to click OK, and then you need to restart your Microsoft Office. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.